Now the first thing we're going to want to do is get back to our roots, which are also called the x-intercepts. These are the values of x that make each of the factors equal to 0, which will usually be in the form of x minus the root. So in this case, we see that our roots are at x equals 3, x equals 1, and x equals negative 1. The next thing we need to know are the multiplicities of each root. This is pretty simple and just requires looking at the exponent above each factor. Now if there isn't an exponent, remember that that's the same thing as the exponent just being 1. So here we see that the multiplicities are 3 for x equals 3, 1 for x equals 1, and 2 for x equals negative 1. The reason they're called multiplicities is because if we expanded out the exponents, we would see that there are multiples of the same repeated root. We can also figure out the y-intercept of our graph pretty easily by just setting x equal to 0. This gives us negative 3 to the third times negative 1 times 1 for positive 27. With all these points, we can now graph our x and y intercepts, which leads us to our last step of just connecting the dots.